Hello students, in this video we are going to do how to make the positive sentence into negative sentence. Okay, so in the previous video itself I told you the two rules, right? What are the two rules? Yes, for making the positive sentence into a negative sentence, we need to check whether the sentence has a helping verb or not. Okay, whether the sentence comes with the helping verb or not. If there is a helping verb in a sentence, means you need to just simply add not after the helping verb, then it will become a negative sentence only. Suppose if there is no helping verb in a sentence, means you need to use do family verb only. What are the do family verb? Yes, they are do, does, did. Okay, according to the subject you need to choose the do family verb, and then after writing the do family verb you need to write not only. Okay, you need to add not. After that only you need to write the main verb and all other sentence only. Are you clear, children? So whenever you are trying to make a positive sentence into a negative, what will you check first? First you need to check whether the sentence comes with the helping verb or not. Okay, if yes, means you need to simply add not after the helping verb. Suppose if there is no helping verb, means you need to use do family verb in place of helping verb. Okay, if there is no helping verb, means after the subject you need to use do family verb, then you need to add not, and then only the main verb and all other words. Okay, so let's start doing this exercise. Okay, here I have written 6 sentences. Now you need to check whether the sentence contains the helping verb or not. Okay, shall we start doing it? Okay, so let's do these 3 sentences first. Okay, so all these 3 sentences comes with the helping verb only. You can see is, can, will. Before that, can you tell me what are the helping verbs? Which are the verbs belongs to helping verb? Yes, they are be family verb, do family verb, then have family verb, can family, will family and shall family. These are the helping verbs that we have already learned. Am I right? So you need to check whether this sentences comes with the helping verb or not. If yes, means we can directly apply this rule only. Just we need to add the not only after the helping verb. Okay, so let's start doing the first one. First sentence, this kite is nice. What is the sentence? This kite is nice. So it means that in the pattam வந்து நல்லா இருக்கு, அழகா இருக்கு. Okay, so அப்படி சொல்லும்போது here you need to check the helping verb. Where is the helping verb? Very good, that is is a helping verb only. So to make this sentence into a negative, what do we need to add? Yes, we need to add not only after the helping verb. So the sentence will become like this kite is will come as it is. What do I need to add to make it into a negative? Very good, I need to add not and then all other words. Nice. This kite is not nice. It is a negative sentence. When I add not in a sentence, means it refers to the negative sentence only. This kite is nice. In the pattam nalla irukku. This kite is not nice. In the pattam nalla illa. When we are saying no, when we are making a sentence opposite of the positive, that is only called as the negative sentence. Okay, so let's go for the second sentence. We can carry the painting. We can carry the painting. It means நாங்க வந்து இந்த painting வந்து நாங்க தூக்கிட்டு போலாம். Okay, can you find the helping verb? Where is the helping verb? Any be family verb or do family verb, can family, have family? Which verb, which helping verb can you find here? Very good. If you are not able to find the helping verb, means I can give you a clue, like helping verb always present after the subject. Okay, it will present after the subject. Here we is the subject, can, can is the helping verb only. It is the verb which belongs to can family. So can is the helping verb. So where do I need to add not in a sentence? After this can, that is cannot, then all other words. See, the answer will be like we can, then I need to add not to make it into the negative. We cannot carry the positive sentence. நாங்க பெயிண்டிங் எடுத்துட்டு போகல ஓகேங்களா ஐ மீன் எடுத்துட்டு போக முடியாது ஓகே it that means the negative sentence value okay so let's go for the third one we will leave it here we will leave it here இத நாங்க இங்கே வச்சிட்டு போறோம் okay leave means விடுறது okay நாங்க இத இங்கே வச்சிட்டு போறோம் it refers to something okay they didn't talk about which object they are simply said by referring it only okay so we will leave it here அத நாங்க இங்கே வச்சிட்டு போறோம் that is the meaning okay can you find the helping verb very good after the subject you need to check is there is any helping verb yes will is the helping verb only so after the will I need to add not only to make it into the negative so the sentence will become like we will here only I need to write not we will not then all other words whatever given we will not leave it here it means நாங்க இத இங்க விட்டுட்டு போக மாட்டோம் okay போகல so that is the meaning for this sentence only so see children so whenever the helping verb is present in a sentence you need to simply add not only after the helping verb okay is not then cannot will not in a sentence only so then these sentences will become a negative sentence only so let's go for the second type of sentences that is when a sentence when a sentences do not come with the helping verb what do we need to do yes we need to use the do family verb that is do does or did according to the subject and also about the time whenever they are talking about the present time means you need to use do or does if the sentence talks about the past time means you need to use did only after that only you need to use not okay where do you use this do family verb in place of helping verb you can see after the subject only the helping verb will come right so after the subject only we are going to use this do family verb now let's look at the sentence first they learn dance here can you find any helping verb no there is no helping verb so we are going to use this do family verb only they learn dance means it's talk about the present event so we need to use do or does only according to the subject here the subject is plural that is they to the plural subject in present we will use do only so the answer will be like they where do I need to use do family verb after the subject only they do then what do I need to add after the do family verb not only to show the negative sentence right they do not learn all the word will come as it is they do not learn dance they learn dance means அவங்க வந்து டான்ஸ் ஆடுறது கத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க they do not learn dance means அவங்க டான்ஸ் ஆட கத்துக்கல okay that is the meaning okay are you clear children in place of helping verb only we are going to use do family verb then we need to add not then only we need to write all other words okay so let's go for the second one the audience clapped for them the audience clapped for them audience எல்லாரும் அவங்களுக்காக கை தட்டினாங்க okay here we can't find any helping verb okay and now we need to check whether this sentence talks about the present time or past time okay here clap ed you can see clap the verb comes with ed means it's talk about the past time only so whenever we are talking sentence in a past time means we need to use did only to any subject in the past we are going to use did only so the answer will be like the audience after the subject only I need to use do family verb that is audience did why did because did is the only verb which talks about the past right past time event in the do family verb okay so did after that I need to write not or the audience did not clap I should not write clapped here I need to use the base form verb the normal verb of clap what is a normal verb that is the clap only so I need to use clap for them the audience did not clap for them is the negative sentence audience அவங்களுக்காக கை தட்டினாங்க is the positive. Negative will be the audience did not clap for them. Okay. She gives me a pen. She gives me a pen. அவன் எனக்கு ஒரு பென் கொடுத்தா. Okay, கொடுக்கறா. It is in present only. So in the present for the subject she we need to use does only. So the answer will be she does. After that I need to write not. Then whenever you use do family verb, no, that time you need to use the base form only, not the present time verb or any past time verb. You need to use the base form, that is the normal verb. What is the normal verb for gives? Give only, right? So she does not give me a pen is the correct answer. Clear, children? So keep in your mind whenever you are trying to make a sentence into negative, first you need to check whether the sentence comes with the helping verb or not. If yes means you simply add not. If no means you need to use do family verb in the place of helping verb. According to the subject you need to use the do family verb only. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.